Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Corin, virtual coach, and I'm here to show you how to water your plants when you're on vacation. So that's pretty important, right? And I remember searching high and low, and that's why I think making this video is so important, because it took me years to figure this out. And I don't know why, because I was searching online for hours and days and I couldn't find it, but I pieced it all together. The first thing is buying a soaker hose. So this is what a soaker hose looks like. And it's basically, it goes onto your spigot, and we're going to talk about this in a minute. This is a rainbird. We're going to cover that in a second, but let's talk about the soaker hose. So this hose has little holes all throughout it, and it is aligned perfectly with all my plants as we speak. Even the little tiny palms that Mother Earth planted. Okay, so the soaker hose, I have it put strategically on each plant. All right, great. So now, then recently I discovered this rainbird. Okay, so this is a amazing device. So what you do is you just hook it to your spigot here, and then you set the time of the days that you want to water your plants and also the length. And then you hook the soaker hose up to the spigot. So a regular hose can go there too. And I chose the soaker hose because I have more than one area that I want the hose to turn on. So yeah, that's the reason. So this is like an extension of a spigot. Like, so the threads that are normally here are also here. So that threads onto it like a hose. So there you have it. You set the time, you set the days and the time and the duration. I believe also when it's raining, I think it knows when it's raining. So anyway, but let's see. So it's asking me questions, and it tells me, do you want a second start time? So I have it set for 11:30 in the morning and 5 o'clock p.m. Monday through Sunday for 15 minutes. You see that? So I have it set on auto. You could also hit this button, water now, and that will start it automatically. And it's set for 10 minutes. So it's gonna start watering. There it goes. The water's starting to seep out. And actually, you could turn it on like higher if you want. That way it'll seep faster. There we go. See? So you can have it water it for any amount of pressure you want just by turning your own hose spigot. So it does take a minute for the water to come over here though. Oh, it already ran through the whole hose. Wonderful. Great. There we have it. Now I'm just gonna shut it off. Or actually, yeah, I'm gonna cancel that watering. And it shut it off. And now I'm going to put the pressure a little less like I had it before. Perfect. So this thing takes a couple AA batteries, so I suggest when you go on vacation, replace those. That's about it. Happy watering. I hope this helps like millions of people be able to go on vacation and water your plants. I really, really, really hope so. I'm very excited that I have this hooked up, and now I can take a vacation guilt-free without worrying about my plants when I'm gone. So yeah, all you need is a spigot in the wall to be able to water all your plants. And I do believe that these soaker hoses come in all lengths, like 75 feet. And there you have it. Okay. Well, thank you for joining me, and I'm really excited to be able to finally take a vacation. So I will see you in the next video on my vacation. Thanks for joining. I love you.